Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the effect or how you can use the video effect as a transition in CapCut PC. Alright, so for instance, select the images that I want to edit and I'm going to select effect and then I'm going to select the uh, clip and then select Chrome Zoom. So make it shorter, and how you can use this effect as a transition. Just put on top between the clip, like so. On top between the clip, and copy paste. Put on top another clip between the clip. Go till the end, and so you can see the final result. Alright. So that's how you can use the video effect as a transition in CapCut for PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.